Hello world. Okay guys, this is the first video on Python in which we're going to make our very first program. Now, for some reason lost in the murky history of computer scientists always write as their first program a simple piece of code which will just say hello world to everyone. So, we are now computer scientists who are doing this course, so let's have a go. In Python, in PyCharm, we've got the window in front of you here. Firstly, click at the start and then type in the words print. Print means display something to the user in the console. Then we have brackets, don't forget guys, and speech marks. That's not speech marks, that's better. Now don't forget guys, you'll notice PyCharm very nicely has put in closing brackets and speech marks. Do make sure guys, anytime you make a speech mark or a bracket, make sure you close it as well, otherwise it will cause no end of problems. Then we just type in hello world, and then we try and run it. To run a program in PyCharm, just right click on the file on the left and scroll down to run. And hopefully now, there is my console there. Hello world is sitting there, ready and waiting for you. How about that? Pretty sweet, huh? Cool. So, that's your first program. Now guys, one thing that is very important in computer science is for other coders to be able to come along and look at your code and complete it or modify it or amend it. Now, how are we going to do that? Well, the answer is you're going to put in there notes and comments telling them what you've been doing. Okay? So, if you look on slide 2, or question 2, you'll see there are some comments after a hashtag. Very Twitterish, I know. So, if I put in there a hashtag, my keyboard's a bit strange, guys, sorry about that. Then here, I can now type, and if I want to, I'm going to say this is O2 Introduction to Python, and then I can even put comments after the line if I need to. So this is another one. These tell you what but the computer. So I've written all that there. After the hashtag, anything after the hashtag, the computer will ignore. Want me to prove it to you? I'll just press play and hopefully see the same hello world appears. So the computer will ignore this, but it's always good for you to tell people what it is you're doing, because print hello world, you're thinking, that's easy, anyone can work that out, and yep, anyone can. But when you start writing programs that are sort of 20 or 30 lines long, it makes a huge difference to be able to understand what you're doing. So today guys, we have learned how to make hello world, and we have learnt about commenting our code, crucial things to users. So thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you again in the next video. Adios.